Teka lang.
Candidate number 4, your question is, what is your biggest insecurity and how do you address it? Again, what is your biggest insecurity and how do you address it?
My biggest insecurity would be being true to myself. Because I know that if I be true to myself, others can is being true to myself. Kasi alam ko, if I'm being true to myself, others will make fun of it. Pero, this is how I can cope up with it, is being true myself too. Because being true myself, being unique to everybody, and it shows that I can prove to myself that I can influence others, that my capabilities and potentials can influence others and can make a positive change. Thank you.
Thanks so much, candidate number 4. Candidate number 5, please come up on stage.
This is a different question from the first candidate number 1. Candidate number 5, your question is, how should social media a positive element in this day and age? Again, your question is, how should social media a positive element in this day and age?
Social media can be a positive element in this day and age if it's done in a good way. For example, by spreading awareness and by spreading good news, rather than spreading fake news and bad vibes. So, we help each other to cope up our everyday lives. We can use social media since it bridges the gaps between time and distance. So we can easily reach a whole lot of people by using social media.
Once again, thank you, candidate number 5.
Candidate number 6, please come up on stage.